It is important to find out how much time a student has been working in the course. This is usually for a kid who doesn't have any assignments, so the way to do that is you go into evaluation and then you go to course reports, and it's near the bottom where you would do single overview, student overview of a single course, and you're looking for the overall time there. And this is for people in our online course, so I hope you don't mind me singling you out. But we got David Arthur there first, and we're going to go to the first day of January. You don't expect much usage since the course hasn't even started at this point. I just put 2 dates and we submit, and you're going to get a pop-up that's going to come up, and it's going to show how much time we have had in the course so far, which is nothing. But normally you would have bar graphs would be up and down here, and it would be total. So if you put in 4 weeks, it would show the total time on all 4 Sundays, all 4 Mondays. And this is a powerful tool to then save and send to parents when kids say, oh no, they've been doing all the work. I hope you found this video